This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Working with ActiveRoute. ActiveRoute is configured and run from the PCB ActiveRoute panel as shown in this image. ActiveRoute does not switch layers. It attempts to create a single layer pad and pad via routes on layers enabled in the PCB ActiveRoute panel. High pin count components must be fanned out before attempting to ActiveRoute the nets. ActiveRoute attempts to route the selected path via connection or nets using the following techniques to select connections and nets. First, set the PCB panel to nets mode. Enable the select checkbox at the top of the panel, then click on a net name to select that net. Not the checkbox next to the name that is used to enable the board insight color override feature for that net. Then use the standard Windows shortcuts to multi-select. Next, interactively select connections in the design space. Click Alt left, click drag next from right to left. Hold Alt and drag a green selection window from right to left. Any connection line touched by the green selection window will be selected. Hold Shift to continue selecting additional connections. Left click to select an individual pad. Select the multiple pads in a component. Control click, hold and drag, hold Control and click the drag a selection window to select multiple pads in a component. Drag left to right to select within, then drag right to left to select touching. Enable the routing layers in the PCB Active Routing panel.